Given superhero, guys. Sephora superhero. Not all heroes wear capes, but we wear masks. All right, guys, I'm trying viral Korean skincare. Today, we got the Innisfree Retinol Green Tea PDRN Skin Booster Serum. Couple pumps. It's nice and silky. Oh yeah, nice and cool on my face. Don't forget the neck. You see the dewiness? We are already glistening. So PDRN is usually made with salmon DNA, but the Innisfree one is vegan. No salmons were harmed in the production of this product. Next, we're gonna try the Glow Recipe Prickly Pear Peptide Mucin. It's a bouncy barrier strength serum, just what I need. Look at that. Gorgeous bottle. It's even shaped like a pear. So if you guys ever heard of Snail Mucin, this is a vegan alternative. One pump is usually what I go for, but let's go a little more. Look at that. Wow. The texture is pretty consistent. It feels like it's calming the face down. It's like very sensational, very soothing. Yoga for your face. Okay guys, so we're doing the best for last, and that is the Biodance Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask. And if you know, you know, because this has been going viral all over the web, and it's now my time to try it. Ah, wow. Smooth out the bumps. You wanna get all the surface area. Leave this on for 3 to 4 hours. So it's great for, you know, a nice little wind down routine. The second half of this mask doesn't fit on my face because of the beard. If you don't have a beard, it'll fit just fine. I'm quite impressed. Definitely go out and try it for yourself and let me know the results.